So I will be installing a freedom panel on my Jeep Sahara. It is a 2015 and I have the two panels on the top that I have been wanting to remove and put a sunroof on. So we're going to be doing that today. I'm really excited. Disclaimer, this is not an ad. I bought this freedom panel with my own funds and I'm just going to bring you guys along on the process. Stay tuned. Reference, this is what the box looks like when it arrived to my house, when it got shipped to me. And I'm about 5'2.5", almost 5'3". So the box is my height. And as you guys can see me carrying it, it's the width of it is about the same width as me as well. So for reference, this is how big the box is. You do need two people to carry this. I thought me carrying it by myself would be fine. No, you're gonna need two people. I am, again, 5'3". I weigh about 128 pounds, and it's really heavy for one person to carry. So keep that in mind. Of course, I'm winded. I'm carrying this big old box. So this is my Jeep. Again, it is a 2015 Sahara version of the Wrangler, and we're gonna look inside and get these panels off. So I'm inside of my Jeep, and these are my panels that I have to remove. These two. Now, I've never done this before. I did watch some YouTube videos, and it seems pretty easy, but let's see how easy it is. So from the videos I watched, there are latches up here in, like, behind the visor that I have to pull and then turn and turn, and they pop out. Let's see. Ah! Okay. Oh, wow. They're off, y'all. Oh my gosh. So clearly, I'm supposed to take the driver panel out first because that one is on top of the passenger side. So driver panel comes or pops out first. And I think I'm gonna have to go out to the driver's side to get that panel. So I'll be back. So both panels are off. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Let me show you. Can y'all see that? Straight into the Jeep. That's so cool. I've never taken anything off of my Jeep since I've had it. I've had it for about a year now, so I'm excited. See y'all in a second. I'm gonna get the panel out of the box and I'm gonna put it up. So this is what comes in the box. Let me get all this stuff unwrapped and then I'll be back. These are supposed to go on each side, the driver's side and the passenger side, before you put the freedom panel on top of it. So I'm gonna do that part now. Done by one person, but it would be really helpful to have two. panel on, but I have to read the manual because I don't know what to do next, okay? So here is the manual that they send, and it goes step by step. It's extremely easy to read and digest and figure out what you're doing. So the step that I'm on right now is to, let's see, install the 2 bolts in the rear. So I'm here. I'm on step 8, so I'm almost done, all right? I'll be back soon. So this is how we are adding this piece to that part right there. So under here, if we go all the way under, you can see the hole up there. So we're just gonna match it, put it in, find it, and start screwing. And I've already done the one on the passenger side, so I'm just doing the driver's side now until it's tight. And then I have to add 2 on the driver's side here, and then 2 over on the passenger side here. And then I will do the latches here in the front on the windshield, and we'll be all done, y'all. So if your Jeep looks like mine and you have this part that covers the bar on the outside, I'm gonna try to put this one inside of that because I don't want to take this off, and I also don't want to like put a hole in it or something. So I'm just gonna try to maneuver this underneath this and zip it back up. So let's see how that goes. The issue I'm having with trying to do that is it goes under here obviously, but at the top there's no hole there, so I would have to poke a hole in it or something like that in order to get it in, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some scissors or a screwdriver to create just a hole for this and then come back. All right, you guys, so I know you probably can't see up there, but I made a little hole, and just enough to get the screw through with no extra space there, and it did work out. So we have both of our screws here, and just to show you guys this side, I didn't have to do that because there was an opening. There we go. There was an opening already here for this one, so I didn't need to do that at the top. There was already a piece that I could just put that straight through, so I only needed to do that for the back part. And I will have to do the same thing for the driver's side, so be back soon. So this is what it looks like. I got all of my pieces on. It looks really good. I just have to latch this one in the middle and the one on the other side. And I'm having a little bit of difficulty with that. And one other thing I will mention is that the little foam pieces, the foam inserts, they're a little loose. I'm not sure if that's normal or not, but this top is very secure. So I don't know what that means, but we'll figure it out within the next couple of days. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. It looks so good. I am just hoping that there is no discrepancies when it rains. Chicago, I believe, is finally done with the snow, but we'll see. That's what the top looks like. Yeah, I love it. I'm just hoping that it gives me everything I need.